Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons, including this one, Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. I'm going to show you some tips today to draw an exaggerated character. Let me show you which one we're going to look at today. Yeah, here it is, page 45. I really enjoyed creating this character. It's this kind of kooky lady with the oversized glasses. So let's draw her, and I'll show you some tricks and tips for doing it that you could apply to your own characters. All right, put that to the side. Maybe we'll take a look at her afterwards, see how we're doing. Okay, so for her, the first thing we have to do is get this weird head shape, which looks like this. This kind of back neck that falls backward, and the front of the face falls this way. Here is the center line. Instead of a neck, we're just going to put some pearls up here, and the back will look like this. I mean, really kind of weird, but it works. It's fun. All right, so here she is. And we're going to now put the eyes on the eye line, which is right here, kind of in the middle. She's going to give us kind of a funny grin, kind of a wry grin. The upper eyelids are coming down like so. I'll finish this up in my marker, so we'll darken it when we're completely done. You'll see it much better. Little bitty eyebrows right here, and you can even put down an eyelash or two. I know it doesn't look like what it's supposed to be yet, but it will. Let's watch. So round this off, make sure it's round. Here is the center of the face in this angle, where the center line meets the eye line. And we'll have just a small upturned nose, which gives some attitude to a character. We'll give her a little smug smile, which curves way up high, leaving a lot of chin. That's going to be undefined, okay? So here's the upper lip. Give a little bit of a lid right here to it. And an overbite, which means that the bottom lip is a little below it. See that? Like that. Just like so. I think I'm actually going to bring this up. There's a whole lot of neck there. I want to cut it down just a little bit. Yeah, that's a little better. And here are the pearls again. I'm going to give her a big earring on this side and a big earring on this side. I don't even have to show her ears. We'll flatten out the head now. We're just going to break the shape here. And we'll have the hair falling off the front and falling down the back straight. And cut it off straight like that. Now what's going to make her funny, here, let's erase the original guidelines, which we're not really even using now. So we have things in place. Remember, I'm going to make this darker. We'll finish this up in a minute. What's going to really make this funny is we're going to give her gigantic glasses. Kind of pointy glasses that'll come like off the head, like so. And here's a little connector between them. It's already looking funny. I'm going to make this a little taller. Round it off just a little bit. That was a bit extreme. Okay, good. Now let's give this a try and see what we have. So we'll give her that sort of sly look right there, straight across the top of the eyelids, and submerge the eyeballs into those eyelids just a bit. And we have that half almond look to the eyes. It's already looking funny. You already kind of find her amusing. And small eyebrows, not big, not overwhelming. Because there's so much going on in the eyes with the glasses and everything, we'll just make the eyelashes very small. Okay, remember this little upturned nose comes from up here between the center line and eye line, and it's just a little upturned nose. And a very small rising smile, and it's an overbite, like so. Now really curve this thing in. And you say to me, well, Chris, how can that be? That the edge of the face is before the eye. The eye is past the face. How can that be? My answer is that I've asked many physicists, and none of them know. They can figure out what quantum mechanics is, but this is beyond them. Nonetheless, it works. All right, so here is the earring. Here is the other earring. I think each one costs about 75 cents. But it's the look we want. Thicken this up. Like so. It can be sketchy. We're just giving this a try. This is not a finished drawing, but we're designing a character as we do this. So that's the whole idea. This goes way off in front. Don't go in front of the nose with this. You'll really make the whole thing confusing. This way you can keep it clear. Here's the back of the neck, and repeating the spheres that we have on the ear, we have the pearls. Keeping it small so it just looks like it's just flowing from the head. Darken that in. Okay, we're going to let this fall down. A couple of strands of hair, like that. And bring this hair forward. She looks sort of like a demonic librarian, doesn't she? I think I recognize her from elementary school. Ah, never mind. Probably not, probably not. Okay, so there we go. Let's look at the original one. That's pretty close. Of course, there's always going to be some differences when you draw. But that's the fun of it, changing a little bit this way, a little that way. Anyhow, I have, my books can be found and bought at, let's see, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and independent booksellers. So please pick one up and please subscribe to this channel. New videos uploaded every Monday. Thanks. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.